Such an easy coffee maker, guys, I found at Amazon. The best coffee maker I've gotten, and I don't know why it took me so long to get one like this. It just makes your coffee so nice and smooth and creamy in the top that I was like, what have I been missing? I forgot what kind of brand I got before. The Curate, I believe. And guys, I'm telling you, this one, I do not know why it took forever to get something like this. Guys, I'm telling you, it just comes out so good. I love. Will not ever go back to the other kind I used to get. It makes the cream for you here. You churn it, and fantastic. Just look at the top, guys. Just look at the creamy smoothie. Delicious. My coffee mornings are better than ever. Yum, yum, yum. So fresh. Best morning ever. Like I tell you guys. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Talk to you guys later in another video.